ClaudFable AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called ClaudFable AI. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab ClaudFable AI copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page where you can use this coupon code which is CFable2 to get the $2 discount for now. So try to use this coupon code. This is launching today after maybe 12 hours. So when I'm recording this video, demo video is coming soon, as they say. So demo video is not updated yet because this is launching after 12 hours from now on. So you have to go and watch the demo video on the sales page once the product goes live. And if you want to know about the bonuses, then you can see the bonus. My bonus URL is already linked with the sales page here. So when you go and buy using my link below, the bonuses will be automatically delivered. And if you want to know what those bonuses are, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. Okay, so I'll talk about the bonuses and how to make money online in the end. For now, we'll do the review. So let's get back to the sales page here. It says a revolutionary AI app lets you create stunning ready to sell digital products, ebooks from just one command, powered by intelligence of CloudFable 5. No experience needed, no limitations, no multiple AI subscriptions. Sell these high value digital assets on freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or directly business and build a six-figure blah blah blah. So you can check out all these samples on the website. As you can see here, they're saying you can become some freelancer and offer these services, make some money. And this is what you can generate. You can generate websites like these using this software. And again, more samples here. You can see some lead capture forms, and you can generate some videos as well, as you can see here. So more marketing assets, as you can see. And if I keep scrolling, there is a section of demo video which is not updated yet, so you have to just go and watch this. I think when you will be ready to buy this product, the demo video will be updated by that time, as you can see right now. So it says watch the demo here, but for now it's showing coming soon because it's still 12 hours to go before the launch. So when this will go live, you will surely have the demo video updated. All you have to do is come to the sales page using my link below, and then click on the demo video, watch the demo video, and then go and buy this. Okay, so let's go and read through some question answers at the bottom here. So what this is exactly is, what is the name again? What is CloudFable AI? So this is all-in-one AI business platform powered by CloudFable 5 that lets you create professional marketing assets, websites, funnels, AI apps, videos, images, emails, and more. You will see that in the demo video when the demo video is updated. Is this a monthly fee? No. Do I need any tech skills? No. What if I already have ChatGPT? It's a complete business creation platform. It builds blah, 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 blah. Blah. Okay, so right now we don't know much because the demo video is not updated. So go and watch the demo video and then go and buy this software using my link below. Even if you do not want the software, but if you want my bonuses, which you will see in next 2 minutes, then even just to get my bonuses, you have to go and buy this using my link below. So what is CloudFable 5 and why does it matter? It's something. Okay, it's a new AI, that's all. Is there a money back guarantee? 30 days. Can I really sell what I create? Yes, you can. What happens after a buy? You get the login details. All right, if you have any questions, you can email them. That's it. Cool, right? So again, you are only waiting for the demo video, so go and click the sales page link below my video and go and watch the demo video, then go and grab your copy. I have given you the discount already. Let's talk about the OTOs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Go and grab OTO 1 at least, or maybe just check which OTO you need, because in the front end obviously you will not get everything unlimited. So to get the unlimited version, you have to go and buy some OTOs. Okay, so you can go and pick and choose. And anything else we have, I think we are covered. So again, more details you can find out when you go and watch the demo video. And now we'll discuss about bonuses. So make sure, even if you don't want the software, but if you want the bonuses, then go and watch the video till the end. And we'll also discuss how to make money online. Grab using my link below, get your bonuses, and keep watching. Alright humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review to Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review to Profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is, okay? And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading, okay? So in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos, okay? So the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget, okay? Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic, okay? So when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks, okay? So go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever, okay? So go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there, okay? What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes, okay? So you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing, okay? Or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this Review to Profit separately as well, okay? But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay? So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay? Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay? And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay? I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay? So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay? Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay? I told you I sell this separately, okay? So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay? So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.